In a secluded town where legends whisper through the trees, a young woman named Clara begins to hear a chilling voice carried by the wind, calling her name and unraveling a dark secret hidden deep within her past. Haunted by her dreams and the voice that beckons her, Clara discovers a connection to a tragic event that took place long ago, igniting her need to confront the haunting echoes of the past. As Clara delves deeper into the forest, she realizes she is not alone. Dark figures lurk in the shadows, revealing that the voice is tied to an ancient curse that seeks retribution for forgotten sins. Faced with the altar's dark energy, Clara discovers the truth behind the curse and must make a harrowing choice: confront the vengeful spirits or succumb to the fate they demand. In a climactic confrontation, Clara channels her strength and the power of her ancestors to break the curse, unleashing a battle between light and darkness that will determine her fate and the freedom of the trapped souls.